Whoa! Okay, here we go. First descent. Oh God. Wish me luck. Oh my God. Descent control on. Have a scout around, see what's what. Little hill here. Do that again, that one. I mean, I can't believe that I've found this place. It's amazing. It really is amazing. And there's no signs up to say you're not allowed in. So this place was recommended to me by somebody on Facebook. You know who you are, so thank you for that. And yeah, it's really great. Here we go. Way. Woo! Brilliant, fantastic. This is the first time really that I've had a chance to play in it, and it's just amazing. It really is astonishing what this little 4x4 can do. It's so tough. See, this is the thing about the Jimny that I love. Okay, number one, the build quality, Japanese build quality. We all know that is fantastic. The reliability, I think Suzuki is scoring in the top 3 for reliability. There's also now a really short supply of Jimneys. I know it's pretty bad a few months back, but you know, with all this news coming out that they're not going to be sending any more to the UK except in limited numbers, just makes the appeal of the Jimny even stronger. I mean, at this point in time, it's actually an asset. It's not even, it's not depreciating at all, as we all know. But yeah, this place is brilliant. It's really good. So I'll shut up, man. Have a little drive around. At the minute, I'm in 4 high. See, this is the thing. I haven't built up enough confidence yet to tackle things like that. I've gone halfway up it. I'll go halfway up it. I'll put it in 4 low and try out a new technique that I was taught. So Let's just go up. Stop halfway, brake on. Auto brake holds. I'm now going into reverse, and I'm in 4 low here. I'm in reverse, and I'm just going to let off the clutch. And safely, in a controlled way, you come back down. So I think that's a really good technique. Been nice actually to meet up with the guy that recommended this place, because no doubt he's had a good drive around here, and he knows what's what, and you know what we're capable of doing and what perhaps we should leave alone. I'll show you this point up here. Now this is, look at this. Now, as you all know, probably with camera work, the terrain is never, what's going on here? Okay. Yeah, the terrain is never truly shown for what it is. It just doesn't do it justice on camera at all. As you can see, that looks a lot more tame than it looks with the naked eye. That is bloody steep, that one there. And then these two. I've been up this one on the left. If you go forward here, you just check this bit out here. These grooves that have been planted in by other 4x4s, they're quite deep ruts, and I felt the diff scraping along the bottom of that, so I'm not going to tackle that. Well, actually, it's alright going up it because you can veer to the right, which I'll do now, but coming down you can't veer to the right, and I don't want to wreck the diff, so get a bit of momentum, put it into 4, I'm in 2nd gear in 4 low, and I'm going, and it's just straight up. There's not even any wheel spin. That is insane. I mean, you see the Jimneys on the videos doing its thing, but in person, behind the wheel, I'm astonished what this thing can do. Astonished. I went up that then, and that was a steep bloody incline, and there was no wheel spin. Ooh, okay, right, now we've got the hill descent kicking in. Again, this doesn't look steep on the video, but yeah, it's quite steep. Okay, and the brake's kicking in. Now we're going to switch to 4 height. I'm going to take off the descent control, and we'll have a little bit more high speed. God, I love this. I was about to call it a Jeep then. I love this Jimny, I really do. Just an amazing vehicle. And again, what you see in the videos looks impressive, but when you're behind the wheel, it's boss. It really is boss. So I'm getting a bit more confidence now, whereby I can not worry so much about me. Woo! Excellent. Just trying to figure out where that where this hill goes here. Looks like it goes up and there's a dead end behind it. Let's go round again. Bloody hell, there's a car chassis in that hole there. Woo! No doubt there's been some wrecks here. So I'm just going to have a look what this... okay, that slope looks pretty tame. Okay. I think I'll tackle that one next. Let's go round. Back down this one. Whee! Woo! Haha! Excellent. Oh, I don't know because I haven't really figured out ground clearance, how much I can get away with yet. So this is all a learning curve. I don't know whether that'll. Let's have a look. That looks okay, but oh no, don't want to risk that. Looks like I might get hung up on that one. Wow, what an amazing experience coming here today. Amazing. I mean, those steep climbs up there, they're so tempting to, and I've got no doubt that the chimney will go up, but I really don't feel experienced enough at this point to tackle something like that. You can see them coming up, look. I mean, this one on the left is a very well, it's, you know, it's quite a steep gradient. But these other two on the right here, over here, no doubt the chimney can do it, but no, I've not got the confidence for that one at the minute. So I think we'll tootle up here. Woo. Hey! Aha! Wow! Amazing. This is very, very muddy around here, and I don't want to sound a bit of a woofter, but if I get stuck, there's nobody to give me a hand, so I'll go over this bit. We'll brave this bit. Yeah. Wow. I mean, obviously on mud with these all-terrains. By the way, I'm running the Toyo Open Country 215s, 7515s, and I've got to say, they're bloody brilliant. I mean, this stuff here, I think I'll leave for another day, but you know, as with any Toyo, you're going to get a bit of wheel spin in the mud, but I tell you what, the Toyos are fantastic. They really are good tyres. Excellent on-road, great on-road manners, low noise, look fairly aggressive, and off-road they're just amazing. I mean, that hill that I went up earlier was very, very, very steep, and I didn't detect any wheel spin, which is insane. It's just insane. So yeah, I'm really glad I found this place. Oh, here's this hill here, look. Oh, gold, that's tempting. Oh, gold, that's really tempting. I just can't do it at the minute. It's too much. Another day. And as the old saying goes, we live to play another day. I mean, that one's bloody brilliant as well down there. Wow. Okay, let's tootle off. Tootle off? Anyway. Woof. Turn off hill descent because I don't really need it down here. Oh, wicked. Wicked. Way. Woohoo! I think we'll do this last little hill. Too high. There we go. It's a great place to learn down here as well, because there's some nice little some nice little hills to play on, you know, just to build your confidence. Wow, great. Anyway, bye for now, guys. Have a great day.